11:30. We're about to start to hike Coliseum Mountain. It's right up there. So we're in the parking lot, just by ourselves. Just by ourselves. Just the four of us. It's a beautiful morning. It's a bit chilly, but it's gonna be fun. Incline section on this part. Alright, I guess we need to keep going. It's crazy. Oh man. Do you take any of that energy drink that you have?
I brought some.
Oh, okay.
Still got the coffee going.
Sweet chicken. Cool stuff. So we're all taking off all our stuff. It's warmer, getting warmer, I would say. Please subscribe to this guy right here. I'm just gonna
Joseph the man right here.
put his link on my description below and check him out. Yeah. Brennan, we have a new recruit. Where is he, Paul? Yeah, that's the guy right here. Pretty much same crew. I think it's been like 3 kilometers now, almost halfway, or yeah, I would say. There's rocks everywhere, beautiful lookouts. Oh my god, oh, fuck, that was close. So we're going that way?
Yeah, if we're gonna do the loop.
Are we going the loop?
I don't know.
We'll see. So probably 1 more hour to get to the actual peak of Coliseum. So it really depends on how many breaks are we taking. But yeah, more or less. Beautiful lookouts, amazing views. left Edmonton around 3 in the morning. We got here at Nordegg around 7, and we start the trailhead around 7:30. It was like I think, if I'm not mistaken, it was like 40 kilometers back and forth. 2,000 something elevation gain. I'm not quite sure, but yeah, it's gonna be an epic hike. I would say
Sponsor.
30 more minutes to get to the actual peak. We're excited. Maybe you've seen Jojo on my previous video. You know what to do. I'm gonna leave his description down below. Please follow him as well. Subscribe and comment at the same time. That would be really helpful for us. And we, as much as possible, we're gonna do more video before the end of this season. We're taking a quick break. Extra protein bar. Must have protein bar. Oh, whoa. Okay. Scary, man.
Nakita niyo yung tok-tok. Ewan ko kung narinig niyo yung boses ko kasi sobrang lakas ng hangin dito. So parang bumabagyo, pero anyway, worth it naman yung trail tsaka yung hike.
Yeah.
Jose, Nicole.
So we got energy drink from Brennan. Big thanks to this guy right here. I need this. Good stuff. And with protein bars too, right? But this is good stuff. So we're heading now towards the peak. I think I would say it is a challenging part. As you can see, I'm not sure if you can see from here. Brennan Paul is leading the way. Oh man, it's crazy. It's a little bit sunny and too bright. I think I'm overexposure on the camera. There we go, even better. Yeah, let's do it. So yeah, it's crazy, but the viewpoints are amazing. It's totally worth it. Wow, almost there. Ooh. You get there, buddy? Yeah.
Get
Right.
rolling, baby.
Nice.
Rocket.
There you go. Almost. The moment I've been waiting for. Whew. Well, sometimes you need to think back what really matters to you. Come to realize that money, power, woo, is just an illusion. It doesn't matter how much you make or what kind of car you drive or clothes you wear. It's just like the moment right here. The feeling of being alive. Right here. Right here on the spot where I'm standing. Whoa, crazy. Whoa, this is life. What a life.
Oh.
Should I say the day today? Because like cold in, right?
But today,
You
is
have to
there
write
somebody
your
else
name.
up here today
Well,
already?
really up to you though.
It's February the
Yeah,
10th.
once you're
February?
cheap.
Oh. Wow, can't believe there is.
Alright,
So-
so this
Yes.
these people here.
Yeah, it's
What's that?
10, what, 3rd?
I don't know.
In the third, yeah.
Yeah,
Third?
it's only
Third, yeah.
third.
Third?
Third, yeah. Right, it's recording, right? Yeah.
Nag-start
yeah.
dito. Mainit. Taas doon, pre. This is higher than Haling.
Alright, my name is here. Next. Stop.
Recording, right?
Hey.
It's recording?
Yeah.
Okay, good man. Nice. So next week, both week. Over here.
Saan mo ba?
Nice ball. So we are taking different route on the way down. I think Brennan knows where to go. He's leading the way. This is towards the parking lot. I'm not sure if you see it from here, but all the way there. Way down. We picked the difficult path.
See what there is.
It's gonna be a little bit
It's hard to
challenging.
see what's beyond it, so
Okay.
check it.
Careful, man.
Yeah. But ooh. Wow. It's great. Yeah. It's 30. Going down from that end. To be honest, I don't know which way to go now. Back all the way up. Take it. A bit sketchy in here. We're going back, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That way. That way.
Alright, sounds good. Yeah. That's a nice one. There. Wow, this hike is unforgettable. The reason why, because the first we picked the wrong path going down, so we decided to go back again, and then we see this small trail, like very sketchy one, and then we end up taking that trail. Well, not actually a trail. We're kind of like, I would say, well, not bushwalking too, but we're trying to find our own way back. And yeah, that was awesome. That was awesome. And it was epic. Scary at the same time. Challenging, I would say. But we managed. All good. We had fun. That's all that matters. So almost there, the parking lot. I would say it was a hell of a hike. It was challenging, adventurous. If you want to go to like more on the challenging side, take this trail. I'm not sure which trail we took a while ago, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna leave some description down below, and I'll give you guys some tips, what to bring and what to expect. Pretty much that's it for the video. If you guys like this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
So go ahead and leave it.
So if you guys wanted to
Now it's on your
go to challenging part, just take the Westview Trail. Alright, finally.
and there's no way
Ooh, we made it!
to exit.
Back to final destination.
But you're
Parking
also
lot.
leaving me
Awesome.
behind.
Wow, now it's a few cars in here. When we started, just us, but now look, almost pretty.